Hey there and welcome to ThinkBo. Today, we're going to talk about something that's on everyone's mind: how to be successful and wealthy. We all know those people who seem to have it all figured out. They climb the social ladder, build impressive empires, and accrue millions of dollars like it's second nature. But what are they doing that the rest of us aren't? Well, the truth is, there's no one answer to that question. There are many ways to accrue wealth and even more ways to lose it. But what we can tell you is that successful people develop soft skills that range far beyond the actual sources of their wealth. These are concepts that impact your ability to think, work, and achieve the success you've always wanted. In this video, we're going to discuss 7 essential skills that you must develop if you want to be rich. We'll cover things like self-honesty, understanding human nature, and establishing a personal brand. These are things that successful people do differently from everyone else, and by incorporating them into your own life, you can achieve meaningful, lasting success. So, whether you want to accrue wealth or simply gain more freedom in your life, keep watching until the end of this video, because these are things you need to hear. But before we get started, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new self-improvement and fitness-related video from us. So let's get started. The first skill is budgeting. It's important to know where your money is going and to have a plan for how to use it. By creating a budget and sticking to it, you can avoid overspending and make sure that your money is being used in the most effective way. With a solid budget in place, you'll be able to breathe easier and feel more in control of your finances. The second skill is negotiation. Whether it's negotiating a salary or a deal, being able to negotiate effectively can help you get what you want and save money in the process. This skill can be especially important when it comes to large purchases, like buying a house or a car. With strong negotiation skills, you can ensure that you're getting the best possible deal and keeping more money in your pocket. The third skill is investing. It's never too early or too late to start investing in your future. By doing your research and making smart investment decisions, you can grow your wealth over time. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or other types of investments, the key is to have a long-term strategy and stay committed to your goals. The fourth skill is entrepreneurship. Starting a side hustle or small business can be a great way to increase your income and gain financial independence. By tapping into your skills and passions, you can create a business that's both profitable and fulfilling. And with the rise of the gig economy, there are more opportunities than ever to start a successful side hustle. The fifth skill is continuous learning. The world is constantly changing, and it's important to stay up to date on the latest financial trends and strategies. By reading books, attending seminars, and networking with others in the industry, you can stay ahead of the curve and make informed financial decisions. The sixth skill is self-discipline. Developing self-discipline is key to achieving financial success. It means being able to resist temptations to overspend and sticking to your financial goals, even when it's hard. By cultivating self-discipline, you'll be able to stay focused on your financial priorities and make progress towards your dreams. The seventh and final skill is giving back. Being generous and giving to others not only benefits those in need, but it can also bring a sense of fulfillment and purpose to your life. Whether it's volunteering your time or donating to charity, giving back can be a powerful way to make a positive impact on the world and feel good about yourself in the process. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Until next time, keep spreading love and kindness. Goodbye.